Are you eager to start your own kitchen garden, but don't know where to begin? Well, look no further. Here's a quick guide on how to grow your very own kitchen garden. First, select a sunny spot in your yard or patio where your plants can receive at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. This is crucial for their growth and productivity. Next, prepare the soil by removing any weeds or rocks and loosening it with a garden fork. Add compost or well-rotted manure to improve the soil's fertility and drainage. Now it's time to choose your favorite herbs, vegetables, and fruits to grow in your kitchen garden. Start with easy to grow plants like tomatoes, basil, lettuce, and peppers. Make sure to read the seed packets or plant labels for specific instructions on planting depth and spacing. When planting, be gentle with the delicate roots and water the plants thoroughly afterwards. Remember to give them adequate water regularly, especially during dry spells. Don't forget to provide support for climbing. Plants like peas or beans, install stakes or trellises to keep them off the ground and promote healthy growth. As your plants grow, keep an eye out for pests and diseases. Remove any infected leaves or insects by hand, or use organic sprays to control them naturally. Lastly, harvest your produce when they are ripe and enjoy the satisfaction of picking fresh ingredients from your very own kitchen garden. Remember to share your bountiful harvest with friends and family. Growing your own kitchen garden can be a rewarding experience, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh and flavorful produce. So get your hands dirty and start growing your own delicious and nutritious garden today.